Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to create this motion design with After Effects. So this is part 5 and you can watch part 1 here and part 2, part 3 and part 4. Let's go. So welcome back. Let's open this phone composition and open these vectors. Let's use this lamp, mini sofa, and this object, sofa, tableau, and TV tuner. Let's move to inside this composition. Okay, and right mouse, precoms, add precoms name, mobile objects, and click OK. Then open this mobile composition and go to here and select work area here. After these animations, right mouse, select come to work area. Okay, our vectors is static. Let's select all and press S, change scale, then close scale, and select this lamp, move to down. Okay, and this mini sofa, move to up, and this scarf, move to up, and sofa, move to down, and tableau, again move to down, and TV tuner, move to up. Okay, select these 3 compositions, move to up. Okay, nice. Then let's create new null object and hold Ctrl, double click this pan behind. For move to anchor point center. Okay, and select these compositions parent to this null object. Then select this null object, press P and move to down like this. Okay, back to phone composition and go to here. Select these mobile objects parent to this phone. Let's see. Okay, then select mobile objects, press S, change scale. Okay, and move to here. Then go to masks and select the differential tool, make mask. Okay, let's see. Nice. Then select this layer, unhide, and this layer unhide, and parent layer 1 to layer 11, and go to solo, move to anchor point here. Okay, and select this layer 11, go to solo again, move to anchor point down. Okay, then move to here, and in this time press P and select these layers, move to right. Okay, make first position keyframe and move to down, and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down, and move to up. Okay, select this mobile composition, move to back this phone. Okay, or display. Okay, let's see. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, ease. Okay, select last keyframe and move to here. Select keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Okay, move to right this keyframe. So nice. Then select this layer 1, press R, select this layer 11, hold Ctrl, press R, and make rotations. Go to here, change rotation layer 1, okay, and go to here, change rotation again, like this, and layer 11, change rotation, okay, and change 0. Let's see. Select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, ease. Let's see again. Okay. And select this layer 1, go to pipette tool and make pipettes. Okay. And open mesh 1 and deform and pipette pin 1. Go to here, change pipette and go to last keyframe, change pipette again. Okay, and go to again some keyframes, move to back this pipette. Let's see. Okay. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, ease. Let's see. Okay. And in this time, select this layer 11 and change rotation like this. Okay, and select last keyframe, change rotation, maybe 4, and go to here, some keyframes, change 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's close options and okay, select this layer 11, press U and go to here, select these 2 keyframes, move to left. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's open mobile objects, select all compositions, right mouse, time and freeze frame and close like this. Then right mouse, composition settings, change time duration 15 and click OK. Select these compositions and null objects, move to right. Okay, let's close and see. Nice. Okay, in this time, open again mobile objects and select this null object, press P, make position keyframe. And let's see last keyframes. Okay. And move to up. Let's see. Okay, we have problem. Let's solve it. Back to mobile objects. And let's close keyframe, position keyframe. Select this all compositions, move to up. Okay, like this. Okay, now make position keyframe, go to here and move to down these objects and select keyframe, right mouse, keyframe ascent, ease. Let's see. Okay. Select this keyframe, move to right, and select all keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. Okay, select this keyframe, move to left, graph. Okay, then click here, select this last keyframe, move to right, and let's see. Okay. In this time, select this layer 11, make position and rotation keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe, move to left, and change rotation. Select this layer 1, press R, make rotation, and change rotation. And move to again right, and change rotation. Like this, move to up. Okay, select this layer 1, press U for see puppet pins. Okay, select this puppet pin 1, make keyframe, go to here, change pin, and go to here and click, and go to some keyframes again and move to back. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. Then select these keyframes, move to right. Okay. Select these two keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph like this. Okay, and in this time select this layer 11, move to down and left. Okay, nice. So let's select this keyframe and delete. Go to 3 keyframe and make new position keyframe. Go to here and move to down. Let's see. Okay, nice. And make rotation keyframe. Go to here and change rotation 0. Okay, nice. Let's close keyframes. And in this time, back to mobile objects. Select this object, press S, make scale keyframe, and go to 6 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change scale 5. Go to again 6 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make smooth keyframes. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Let's see here. Okay, nice. Let's see here. Okay, let's back to phone and select these layers. Let's see here for time scripting. Okay, in this time, move to here, these hands. Okay. And back to mobile object. Select these null object keyframes and TV tuner scale keyframes. Move to here. Let's see. Let's see here. Press N and let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this phone, press S, and make scale keyframe, go to last second, here, change scale like this. Okay, back to phone composition. Okay, again back to mobile objects and go to search effect hue saturation. Let's use first TV tuner and click this colorize, change color. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad color. Let's select this hue saturation color, Ctrl C, and select all these objects, Ctrl V. Okay. Okay, let's Ctrl Z and select heavy tuner, select hue saturation, Ctrl X, back to phone and select this mobile object, Ctrl V. Okay, let's change here colors. Okay, so not bad. Okay, select this all objects and click this for motion blur, and here let's back to mobile objects, again motion blur, close. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's see here again. So nice. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.